Okay, so for example, there are some states in the United States, right, that are little more conservative, meaning the governments are, hey, government should not be in the business of telling companies what to do. Companies will do the good thing, even if you don't tell them, right? That doesn't work, I can tell you, because companies are in the business of making money. And a lot of business folks can tell you that. The first thing for them is making money. So anyhow, that's not the story we want to talk about. There are studies that show that these kinds of activities, including the deep well injection, are responsible for minor seismic activities. Okay? However, state like mine, state of Texas, and I work for state of Texas as a university employee, I'm an employee of the state of Texas. The state of Texas says we don't believe that this causes that. Okay? So that's the answer. So there is, anytime, now I told you, climate change. No, it is just, it was cold yesterday. What do you mean there is a global warming? Right? It was cold this morning. It was colder than last year, so there is no global warming. So if people make that kind of argument, then it is, science cannot defend itself. Unfortunately, when you have politicians that argue like that.
But there will be impact.
Yes, no doubt. Okay. Any other questions? Okay. With that, I'll